Alright y'all, James Reed back with another cooking video. Today we're going to make a really simple salad of crushed cucumbers and pear. We're going to do an Asian flavoring with soy sauce and sesame seeds and sesame oil, a little bit of vinegar. So, before we get started, I would like to encourage you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's free. It'll never cost you anything. I'll never ask you for your credit card number. So go ahead and take a moment and do that for me. And go ahead and call up a friend or send an email. And please tell them about my YouTube channel. And maybe they'll invite you over for some good food on a camping trip. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started. I got all my mise en place ready. Okay. Without further ado, let's get it done. Okay, so I've got Persian cucumbers today. 6 of them. 1 pear. We're going to cut the pear first. I probably washed all this produce. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Just gonna do small dice. Doesn't have to be perfect. When you're preparing cold food, I can't stress enough that it's super important to wash your hands. Even hot food, but cold food especially, wash your hands very well. Be careful not to cross-contaminate, because cold food never sees a hot pan. It's very important. Okay. This pear's not overripe, still got some crunch to it. I like that for the salad. And there's the pear. Alright, next step is the cucumbers. We're going to cut them up. And we're going to give them a little smash, smash, smash. Alright. Just going to use the butt of my knife and smash these up some. You don't want to obliterate the cucumbers. You just want to bruise them up. Don't worry about those fallen cucumbers. My dog Bucky's going to get them and love them. Yeah, you're right. While I'm smashing these cucumbers up, I'd like to remind you that the subscription to my channel is absolutely free. You'll never get charged anything. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Alright, we're almost done with these cucumbers. Last two. So I'm trying to smash it but still leave it whole so that I can slice it. But it doesn't matter if they break. It's all gonna get smashed up anyway. Oh look, that one's all broken. I love it. One for Bucky. She loves vegetables. Alright, vegetable prep is done. Now it's time to season up the salad. Alright y'all, we're going to start with a little kosher salt. Not too much because we are going to use some soy sauce. I'll give it a good mix. Now we're going to do some fresh cracked black pepper. Believe it or not, black pepper really brings out the sweetness in fruits. A little bit of black pepper in your apple pie will be your new secret ingredient. Okay, we're going to give that a mix. Alright, now we're going to go in with the soy sauce. Maybe half a tablespoon all day. I'm going to give that a mix. Alright, next ingredient. Oh, where's it at? This is difficult. That good vinegar. This is aged sherry vinegar. It don't matter what vinegar you use. Just make sure it's good vinegar. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of vinegar. Give it a stir. Now we have toasted sesame oil. We're going to go about 2 tablespoons of toasted. No, we'll just do 1 tablespoon. Toasted sesame oil. Give it a stir. You can make this up to an hour in advance. Put it in your fridge. Pull it out when dinner's ready. Alright, we're going to give it a taste now. I'm going to get a piece of pear, some cucumber. Nailed it. Now for the last garnish. A mix of white and black sesame seeds. Almost like P.F. Chang's, but with a twist. Except this is good. Alright y'all, that's it. We're going to eat this with some grilled chicken. I'm not going to show you grilled chicken because, dang, you know how to grill some chicken. Like, share, subscribe. James J. Reed. Tell all your friends. Peace out.